Let's say you've got a dual clutch transmission job that you just did the clutch and forks on your Ford Focus or Fiesta, and now the engine cranks over but it won't start. Or let's say that the engine starts but it runs poorly and it stalls. Alright, come down here, look at this vacuum line that's coming down here. There's a cap on the end of it. It's common for those to get knocked off while you're working on the car, and that'll suck air straight in here and lean out the mixture. So if you're having trouble getting your car started, like it cranks over or it stalls, just go ahead and check this, make sure it didn't fall off. Look around if it did. If not, just run up to your local auto parts store and get yourself an assortment pack of vacuum caps, and you'll find one that fits there. Okay? If that's not your issue, just look around for any other detached vacuum lines. It goes back to the brake booster reservoir. But yeah, common thing there. I've done it before. I've done that before, and it's easy to do. All right, have a good day, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know below. I've also got a Facebook and Discord group.